My new treasure, I brought it yesterday. It's a coil winder, and it's a mock. Okay, I've got it. ER33E. That's the model number. Machinery ER500, if I remember correctly. The traverse mechanism could be controlled manually, and that's what it does. That's air cylinder. The tail stack could be moved. There is a pulley, no belt, and no motor. So it looks like a lot of job to be done. Okay, what is it? Okay, $839. Well, I was able to bargain the price to $400 for this machine. I don't know how. It's heavy. Is that I move this handle, and I'm able to adjust from 5/100 of the millimeter to 8 millimeters, 0.05 millimeter, and adjustment is in here. This was a gearing, which shows the RPM. The maximum RPM is 3000, and says, I have no idea what it is. It says in here that remove a cover to change the oil 1000 hours. Everything seems to work good. The squeak that I hear is because that support is touching directly. Variac is still there, but it doesn't do anything. It's a foot pedal that is controlling the speed. Layer end switch. The movement left and right is controlled with this. If I unscrew that and put it closer, then that left movement, the stop. It does have a cover like that, and put over there. So it looks like a complete machine without any ruling mechanism. There is also lever. I have no idea what this lever does inside. I assume this is right, left, the amp meter. So it looks like originally was probably consuming 6 amps. This is the second machine that I've got, and this one is coil winder, universal also. Originally 1499, price dropped 629, and I was able to get it for 550. And it appears to works. I lost additional module while I was transporting it. That was for the tape recorder, so you could record by tapes. But how it works? Let's see how it works. Pressing a reset, wind, okay. Now I could have make more copies. Says program 01. The only thing is that I don't know yet how to do it. This thing has a program. I have all of the books for it. I was able to get it, and it does have a collet like a typical milling machine or lathe, so it squeezes the spindle, whatever I put to mount the coil between this and the tailstock. The tailstock has a spring on it in here, and the slider, so I could slide it like that. Some kind of mechanism to move that, but I wasn't able to move that closer yet. It appears to have a driving wheel for the wire and the tensioner. That's what you see in here. Is says traverse encoder, and it says in here like that: motor red plus, black minus, TACH teach, and red, white, whatever. Now the monitor is on the swivel, so I can move that monitor to more comfortable position if I want to, and I could have a hand control, which would be, I have two pedals. This one makes the rotation, and I can control the speed. Or switch to the foot control, and now I have another pedal. This one is from another machine. Another pedal, and then I have to first press this one and then adjust with the foot. How to use it, how to program it, all of the stuff. Not gonna use tape recorder and stuff, and the programming appears to be in working condition. What else? A speed control. Let's see. Oh, this one doesn't. Oh, because it's hand control. Hand. I don't know. Okay, this works. Anyhow, it's a really good. I have to learn it. Let's see what we have on the screen. ACC1, which is the number of coils winded. TL, have no idea. Pitch, okay, that's the movement. Traverse, total runs. So this machine was running 269 times since whatever the time. Okay, I can have a spiral, term turns, maximum winding RPM, what is it, 200 millimeters or 2000 millimeters? No, it's not. Oh, that's set, that's what it's set. That is a 0.2 in millimeters, but the movement was like that. 20, maybe 20 millimeters. Okay, spin the angle. I don't have any ability to regulate angle. Left and multiple wind enable. Next program, brake on off, and then it says dual. It does have a dual. Variable winding space, left and right hand turns, and jog. Put it like this, and put the jog in here. See, it's gonna move. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Okay. Manual works. Wow. That's a kind of nice stuff. The rest of it I have no idea. I'm gonna put it one more time. Oh, now it goes to the exact position. So after I move the position manually, when I press wind, it is setting on the right position of the hand. Okay, yeah, the movement is approximately 2 centimeters. Beauty. And then we're gonna go to the third machine, which is a coil winder. Okay, this thing has different kind of things and windings, different kind of heads that could be attached with that. Well, I have only one head. I wish I had two. Okay, the winding is 0.055 of an inch, which is 1.39 millimeter. Good question. Okay, now. Got it. Universal. I don't see a tag on it. I'm gonna bend like that to see what it does. And this one is for toroidal coil. Now what I see, this part moves, and I didn't connect that yet. Now when I turn that wheel, it appears that only one part is, let me go like that so we have a little bit more light, but okay, one part, this part is moving, this one is for the wire. And this is Universal. The company was in New Jersey. There is an original tag on it. I don't know if that would be readable. Okay, 1999. That's calibration. Machine is probably from 80s. So that's the certificate of calibration, and then a load and wind. Some kind of sensor. that is attached to here. If anybody knows more about this machine, I would be glad to hear from that. And eventually I'm gonna try to put it in motion. In here, counter assembly and a traverse mechanism. There is something that was in here is missing. I have no idea what was that. Original lamp with that. Emergency stop. Main PCB, so some kind of electronics. Core rotation, clockwise, counterclockwise. Motor speed and something that says number 5. Model MC11. Oh, it's a model number of that machine. And let's put it in motion. Oh wow, it started. Unbelievable. Okay, I don't know what started. I don't know what to do with that machine, but all I know is that I've got it. The toroid is supposed to go between these 3 legs. The counter mechanism works. Okay, I have no idea what the sensor is that, but hopefully it will work. It says amp, okay, and the counter. Motor on, okay, like that. Nothing starts. Oh, I have a foot pedal. Whoa! Wow, it works. Aha! These 2 rollers move. How do they move? I don't see any driving mechanism for them. Unbelievable. It's unbelievable. How these rollers move? But they move. Oh, I see. The counter must be... No, it's not showing it. Well, I know that something works. Have no idea what works. Okay. Oh, that's... Now this head is exchangeable. So hopefully I'm gonna find out how to operate it. The display appears to be working but doing nothing. Because of what? Oh, there's another dial here. I'm gonna put a little bit more light to it. Okay, what this dial does: feed, increase, decrease. Okay, and some kind of... What the heck is that? Okay. I have 2 of them and I have this bracket. Functional, check only. Functional, check only. Well, I would appreciate if somebody tells me what am I doing. Oh yeah, now I've got it. This is a sensor. When I put my finger in here, or instead of the finger I put just a piece of paper. Wow, look at that. Okay, laser. Now what it does is I'm gonna remove it and it's counting. Okay, that's how it's counting the rotation. But is it something missing here? How am I supposed to know? Oh, maybe the wire. I don't know. What is this? Motor speed. Let's increase the motor speed. Ah, wow. That's nice. That's nice. Very nice. Haha. Beauty. I wish somebody tell me how to play with it. Oh, I see. This is the way that you put the wire in. Spent a special. I need the better glasses to make it done. Okay, done. Okay. And why is not working now? Oh, okay. Load. Oh, when I'm loading, the rotation is this way. When I'm winding, the rotation is this way. Okay, and then it's clockwise and counterclockwise. No, that doesn't give me any good. Anyhow, this doesn't look like a switch. It looks like a lamps controlling. Nice stuff. So, how much did I pay for it? $400. What was the price for it? $1,999 for the used one. Okay. Now we have a manual. I've got so many of these manuals. Operating instruction, basic machine, monitor control, counter, random wire winding head, 6U H6U layer, and plenty of other stuff. Winding head. Let's open on winding head. Okay, that's the winding head. But it looks like complete manual with it. And parts numbers for the company that doesn't exist already 30 years. Okay, Universal Manufacturing CO Inc. from New Jersey, United States of America. Okay, that's the address for it. Okay, let's open up. Instruction book for 3.5 LS. Fernwood transformer. That's for the customer. So they didn't. October 1892. And this is the coil winder. Okay, can move it like that.